Hello guys, my name is Deep Chiring Lecture. On behalf of the entire I-MEDITA team, I would like to welcome you to this short video tutorials. In this video, we're going to learn how to integrate and work with Windows 7 in GNS3 and VMware Workstation environment. Let's begin. Just open up VMware Workstation. There you can see that we have already installed Windows 7. Just right click on it and go to Settings. There you can find that network adapter is network address translation. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change from NAT to custom, and we are going to select our own network adapter, that's VM1 host only. Just click on OK. It has been changed from NAT to custom. Now that's all for VMware configuration. Close this, open up GNS3. There we're going to integrate Windows 7 within GNS3 environment. So it opens up GNS3, minimize it, name anything you would like to. So we're going to name it VM just for now. Just click on OK, go to Edit and click on Preferences. Over there, come down to VMware VMs, just click on it. Click on New. It's already been selected to local computer. Click on Next. Select Windows 7 from the drop-down list. That's from the VMware Workstation. Click on Finish. There you can see that our Windows 7 has been installed. Import it. Click on Edit. Enable ACPI shutdown. Click on Network tab. Allow GNS3 to select VMware adapter, and let it be for default configuration. Click on OK and click on Apply and then OK. That's all for GNS3 configuration as well. So I'm going to drag and drop 3725 series of router, and I'm going to select one switch from Ether switch, default switch from GNS3, name it switch 1. Okay, and then we are going to select that Windows 7 that has been actually imported from VMware Workstation. Now we are going to connect these devices with cable from router to switch, and then Windows 7 PC to switch. Okay, bring this topology to the left side. There you can see we are going to label up our interfaces so that it matches with our device interface. It's turned off right now. Turn on the devices. Now the devices has been started. There you can see our Windows 7 is rebooting. This Windows 7 has actually been integrated in GNS3. So I'm going to go to assign IP address on network adapter. So go to networks and internet sharing center. There, change adapter settings. There, right click on local area connection, go to properties, and after clicking on properties, it opens up local area connection properties. Go to IP version 4, assign IP address to this computer. I'm going to assign 192.168.1.2 and /24 would be our subnet mask. Click on OK and then click on OK and then close this network adapter settings. We have assigned successfully IP address. To verify IP address, ipconfig run on this DOS command prompt, ping 192.168.1.1. That means this is the IP address we are going to actually assign to the router. It's now showing destination host unreachable. That means IP address has not been assigned to our router. So right click on it and go to console. This is our router 1 console, and this is PC, Windows 7 PC. Now we're going to assign IP address to router 1. Global configure terminal. To show IP interface brief, there you can see no IP address has been assigned on fast Ethernet 0/0. I'm going to assign IP address 192.168.1.1/24. no shutdown, turning on the interface of the router, and IP address has been assigned. Now you can see that pinging. It's pinging from PC1 to router interface successfully. That is the IP address we have assigned to router 192.168.1.1. Do ping 192.168.1.2. We are pinging from router to PC, and it's infinite ping, and it's not pinging. So this is because of firewall. Firewall is enabled by default on Windows, so you have to turn off firewall. Go to Windows firewall settings in network and sharing center, just turn off and then turn off, click on OK, and there you can see that ping gets successful from router to PC. Now again, if you turn on firewall, turn it on both, right, and click on OK, and there you can see that ping actually gets stopped. That means this is for security reason. ICMP message is being blocked by firewall. So this is how you actually configure, integrate, and work with Windows 7 within GNS3 and VMware Workstation. Thanks for watching, guys.